It's your girl Chrissy Slays in the building. It's another day to slay with Chrissy Slays. It's another day to slay. So I'm giving you guys this Amazon review. This is a Luwigs Afro Kinky Curly 4B 4C 24-inch texture. So I'm giving you all the natural hair. And this is my very first time doing clip-ins, you guys. When I got this hair, I really liked it. It was soft, it was silky, even the ends felt nice. The first thing I did was wash this hair. I shampooed it with OGX Midnight Kisses shampoo, and I conditioned it with TRESEMMÉ 7 times moisture rich conditioner. This stuff was so nice. Honestly, I didn't think I was gonna like this TRESEMMÉ. I end up using it in my hair now, so I definitely recommend this conditioner. It feels so good. If you have natural hair, it makes your hair feel silky smooth. That's exactly what I did. And I honestly used this as a deep conditioner, and I used it as my rinse out conditioner just because I ended up falling in love with this. I ended up getting this from like a little grocery outlet, Smart and Final, Save Mart, some little off-brand store. After all of it, I just wanted to show you guys the length and an up-close view once it's washed. That's 3 little slender paper towel sheets right there, just to give you an idea. I hung it up dry overnight. It didn't dry completely. I put a lot of conditioner and water in it, so it was pretty dope that it stayed pretty damp into the next day. I won't say wet, but damp. Then I took my hair down, which I kind of regret this style. It made my hair a little too straight, which didn't create the right texture for when I put the clip-ins. So I would say if you're gonna braid it up, you definitely need to do some smaller braids when you undo your hair. If you're kind of like me, it's hard because I'm right in between like 4B 4C and 3B 3C. Anyway, so I just go ahead and get started. One thing I would recommend is to take a smaller piece when you're doing this back section if you're gonna do it layer by layer. What I realized was that when I took a lot of that hair at the back, you could kind of see it. It looked really weird when I was styling it at the end. When I saw it, you could see it. So just use a little, maybe not as much as I did. I kind of used a big section for the back. Anywho, it ended up still slaying. You know, you just do the best you can. So each layer, I put conditioner and then I'll put some gel. So what you're seeing, it's actually turning white. I know, ew, blah, gross, ew. However, when it dried, it did dry clear, so I didn't have to worry too much. I already knew that would happen because the type of gel that I'm using, that MOCO De Gorilla, aka Gorilla Snot type gel, that stuff holds, and it is a great gel if you're gonna do an awesome slick back look. I use it all the time when I'm doing my sock bun looks or a slick back look. But for this, I felt like it was a little too heavy on my hair, and it ended up making my hair become really, really straight. And that was okay. It wasn't that big a deal in the end, but I would definitely try and use maybe the extreme gel that I saw, or you can use Got To Be glue. I actually am gonna try this with the Mane and Tame. I got another gel that I'll try it with, but for now, this was all I had. And I used 1 pack, and 1 pack comes with 7 clip-in pieces of various lengths. There's like a couple strands with 4 clips, a couple strands with 3 clips, a couple strands with 2 clips. So in the end, I knew when I first got it that I was gonna need more than 1 pack, but I didn't order the 2nd pack until the next day, and I was overzealous and super excited, like always when I got this hair. So I was like, I wanna do it right now. So I used 1 pack. So this is with 1 pack, but I would definitely recommend to get 2 packs. I have a small head, and I definitely needed 2 packs of this hair. Now, maybe other packs, other brands, you might not need it, but if most brands are kind of like this, I know I would need more than 1 pack of hair. Just my own preference. I honestly was looking at this and was like, oh, this is just giving me mullet. It was just giving me such a mullet. If you could see it in my face, I'm just like not 100% satisfied with how my hair is blending. So I just took more gel. I knew that when it came to slicking my hair down for this like wet look, that gel was gonna be a hit for making the front of my hair, my natural hair, lay down flat. Cause look how flat it lays down just with my hands. I'm not even using like a paddle brush or anything. It's just all my hands and running it through my hair. The next thing I do is I take the scarf. The scarf is really cool because it's just gonna lay my hair down, keep it flat, keep it all tight and nice, good and awesome. And then I just break my hair into two sections and I twist them up on each side because I don't want it to be too defined of a curl, so it wasn't like I was trying to get a twist out look. I was really just trying to get the hair to stay elongated. My silly self takes some little chip clips and clip it to my shirt because I was not, when I tell you I was not finna not lose any kind of shrinkage. I wanted my hair to stay stretched. So I did that to both sides. And voila, look at that, okay? By the way, I put on an extra scarf because it was coming out kind of funny, so I just wanted more coverage. This is me right here trying to love myself, okay? Have you ever had a twist out that wasn't quite dry yet and you're trying to love yourself through it? Sis, this is it. This is that moment where I'm like, love yourself. It's gonna be okay. This isn't what you expected. But at the end of the day, I'm gonna make it work because I'm Chrissy Slays. Y'all already know. So what I knew the issue was that it wasn't dry yet. So what I did was I just said, okay, we gotta start over and do that again. So I just decided to wrap it back up. I wasn't worried about the ends, so I was worried about my hair laying flat. Perfect. That's all I needed to do. Once that laid flat, I took it down and you'll see that my hair finally dried. When I tell you it took me all day, the first time I had kind of blow dried it for 5 minutes, it didn't get dry. This second time I wrapped it and let it air dry for like 2 hours, 3 hours because I was just around the house. So I wasn't really concerned about going anywhere. But I still knew this just wasn't it. My texture just wasn't blending in the sides and I knew I hadn't had enough clip-in pieces. So I decided to just take some bobby pins, pull my hair down behind my ear but to the back nape of my neck, and I'm just clipping my hair down. So it's just giving me this pulled back, slicked back look that I felt was gonna kind of make up for the fact that my hair wasn't blending 100%. Either way, I tried and thought that I was doing something, and I tried to take each little piece and twist it into each little piece, but that just made it worse. And I was like, cut it. And I ended up just gelling it back down. But at the end of the day, it ended up coming out great, you guys. I freaking loved this look. Like, yo, this look hit. And it's my Hot Girl Summer 2020. So y'all don't forget, follow me, like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you think, give me all your feedback, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. So love you. This is Chrissy Slays, and remember, you always have another day to slay. Okay?